Do you know which is the best automation tool for real estate business? That is Pabbly. Let me show you how. So here I'm going to act as a user or the client, and I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is a real estate business saved as my test number. So here I'm going to send a message that is hello, and we will see how we get the response. So here I have entered this message. And as I have entered this message, I have got this welcome message with two buttons, that is see properties and ask question. So by using Pabbly, you can automate all the conversation between you and your customer within the WhatsApp. And now you don't have to manually reply to your customers again and again. And this WhatsApp chatbot is going to send the images of the properties automatically to your clients. And even it is going to save the data of your leads to the Google Sheet. So now you don't have to manually interact with your customers and ask for their details again and again. And not only this WhatsApp chatbot is going to resolve all the queries of your customer related to your business. So now you have seen how amazing this is, because it is performing multiple tasks and going to automate your entire real estate business. So isn't it the best automation tool for your real estate business? Now let's move on further and check it's working. So right here I'm going to select this first button, that is see properties. And as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the property type. So here I'm going to open the list, and right here I'm getting some of the property types. So here I'm going to select this first property, that is apartment. So as I have selected this apartment, I'm getting the image of this particular property type, you can see here, and I'm getting all the details including location, property type, pricing, and all the necessary details. And here I'm getting this button, that is book visit, which I'm going to select. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to select my preferred visit date and time. So now let's select the date from here, and right here we are getting some of the dates. So here I'm going to select this date, that is June 5, 2026. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to select my preferred time slot for this particular date. So now let's open it and select the time slot. So right here I'm getting two slots. So here I'm going to select the slot of 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So now let me just provide it. And as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a confirmation message which says your site visit has been successfully booked. And right here I'm getting the same visit date and the same time which I have just selected. And by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you can send personalized messages to your customer as well. And right here you can check out that this WhatsApp chatbot is helping me to send images of the property right to my customer. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving this data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as property visit data, where you can see that I'm receiving all the details having the same full name, property type, visit date, and visit time, which I have just entered and selected over my WhatsApp. So this was the first functioning. Now let's move on forward towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to select the second button, that is ask question. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting this welcome message which says hello, how may I help you? And here I'm going to enter a random question, and we will check whether we get the response of this particular message or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is what documents are required to buy a property. Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting the response, and this response consists of the documents required to buy a property. So now you have seen multiple functions of this WhatsApp chatbot. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And now you might be wondering how I'm getting the answer of my random questions, because I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button, that is ask question, which is going to resolve all my customer queries. And this is doing so because I have provided knowledge base to my AI assistant, which is basically a document containing the details of my business, according to which my AI assistant is resolving the query of mine or my customer. So now let me show you how to automate this entire process and automate your real estate business. And not only real estate business, this automation tool is going to be very beneficial for any service-based business, any online business, agencies, coaches, whatever business you are running. Now let's see the process of creating it. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, where I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. So right here you can see that I have already created it. So if you want to access this page, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And here we are getting all these messages and action blocks, which will help us to create this WhatsApp chatbot flow. And right here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex match, or if a user starts a conversation, or many more, but here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. And right here you can see in my WhatsApp, I have initiated my WhatsApp chatbot by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated my WhatsApp chatbot, and afterwards I have entered this welcome message for my customer by using this text button message node. And afterwards I have created two buttons, that is see properties and ask question, by selecting this add button. And the next I have created the list of the property type. So right here you can check out that these are the items which I have added by using this list node given over the message block. And here I have provided this body to my list, added three items, that is apartment, villa and commercial space in this list item, and you can also add many more list items. And afterwards I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this field, that is property type, will consist of the property type selected by my user, and for that I have used this node, that is set custom field. And for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to this page where you can create your own field by simply selecting the add more field button. And afterwards I have provided the image of all the property with its all the details, and I have done it by using this node, that is media button. So by selecting media button, you can provide any type of media to your customers. So here I have provided the image, and afterwards I have clicked over this add content, from where I have selected text button, and here I have entered all the details of the particular property. And I have done same for remaining list items too. And the next, I am going to ask questions regarding the date and time for the visit, as my user will select this button, that is book visit. So for that I have used this date and time node given over the message block. And here I have entered this message content, which can be seen over here, and afterwards I have selected some days for which my user can book the appointment. And the next, I have entered the day in advance means the number of days in advance to display available booking dates. And from here you can select the holidays or the unavailable dates for the visit. And right after, I have added the time slots by simply selecting this add slot. And here I have selected the contact custom field date for the date attribute and the time slot for the time attribute. And here on the slot availability setting, if all the slots get booked, this message will be sent. And the next, I have entered this question asking for the full name, and I have got this question node in this action block which can be seen over here. And the next, I have used this API request node which I have got in this action block, by using which I am going to integrate my Pabbly Chatflow with the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool provided by Pabbly which help us to integrate multiple applications. So by using Pabbly Connect, I am going to integrate my Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet. And right here on my Pabbly Chatflow, you can see that I have got this webhook URL, and I have entered this webhook URL over my API request node which will help me to build the connection. And afterwards, in this API request node, I have entered some parameters for which I want to save the data such as full name, property type, visit date and the visit time. And I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect which can be seen over here. And afterwards, I have mapped all these details over the Google Sheet for this particular spreadsheet, that is property visit data, which can be seen over here. And afterwards, the data is getting saved to the Google Sheet automatically. And afterwards, I have entered this confirmation message in a personalized way where you can see these both variables, that is date and time slot, which will help me to send personalized message. And the next button that I have created, that is ask question. So I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button which can be seen over the action block. So by using this assign AI assistant node, I have selected this AI assistant, that is real estate AI assistant, which I have created for my real estate business. And this AI assistant is going to resolve all the queries of my customer. And here it's asking me how I want to start my AI assistant. So here I have selected welcome message, and this is the welcome message which will be sent. So this was the process for creating this all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot which you can create without requiring any technical or coding skills. And this is going to be the best automation tool for the real estate business because it is performing multiple tasks, whether it's responding to the customer queries, saving the data, providing the images, providing personalized messages, and even helping the user to check out the properties. Whatever task you want, you can get performed by this automation tool. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have created in my Pabbly Chatflow for your reference, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.